What was it?
It's called a no-bow.
A no what?
No-bow. Go this way.
No bow. No bow.
Yeah, go down this one,
Okay.
and then you can take a picture of it.
Well, I got my camera running. I have to get a picture off of the. It's a no bow.
That's up here on the left. Right there.
Oh yeah. The no bow. It's got kayaks on it too. That is cool. The no bow.
Big old spare tire on the side.
Very cool.
Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder who makes those.
I don't know. We'll have to look it up. The no bow. Harmony Designs.
Hi.
Hello.
That's what Dan and Donnie used to have.
Car coming. Hello. It's a nice old Airstream. Check that out. Cool. It was an older one.
Yeah, see?
What the heck? That's cool. Check that lady's kayak out. It's got a seat. You sit up. Southernmost KOA. I gotta check this kayak out. I want to see how tippy it is. Ah, that's a paddleboard, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
All right. It looks pretty cool. I thought it was a kayak. Want to go down to the left here? That guy's walking his dog down there. I'll go down this one. What's up? You gotta turn left here. Oh yeah. That's cool. What is it? Okay, I think I got one last street. Or not. Yeah, this is our last street.
That dude over there's got how they ran the lava.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that looks cool.
Man, this thing's
Right
cool.
there. Right there it is.
Rambler.
Yeah, it's called the Armada.
They got some nice campsites in here. There's another R-Pod. Little sunburn there. R-Pod with the slide. Yeah,
I was going to tell you, this dude up here,
yeah.
he's having some canvas issue.
Oh no. Like us.
Yeah. Water's on top of this gulch.
Okay, that was the Southernmost KOA luxury camping resort located at mile marker 20 on lovely, beautiful Sugarloaf Key, right down the street from Mangrove Mammoth.
Well, mamas, not mammas.
I'll show you. It's called Mangrove Mammoth.
It's your mean mama jamma.
Yep, it's a mean mamma jamma. Okay, so here we are, Mangrove Mamas. I'm gonna go down to Lazy Lakes.